So the easiest way to create a custom preset inside of Final Cut Pro is to modify an existing sequence setting that ships with Final Cut Pro. So I'm going to come up here and click on Final Cut Pro and then Audio Video Settings. Across the top of the Audio Video Settings you can see there's a tab for Sequence Presets, and this is all the presets that ship with Final Cut Pro. I'm going to click on the ProRes NTSC settings and then come down here and click on the duplicate button, and basically that copies those settings so that I can now go in here and modify them. I'm going to come up here where it says name and just retype the name so that it's an indication of what I would like the resolution to be here. So I'm putting in 16:9 just as a description of the aspect ratio. And then down here in the description I'm going to retype this to say 16:9. But I also want to indicate what is the resolution of the image, so I'm also typing in here 640 by 360. So then I'm going to come down here and set the aspect ratio for this particular project, and I'm going to choose custom and then type directly into the width and height the frame size that I want. So here I'm typing in 640 by 360. Then I'm choosing a square pixel aspect ratio and no field dominance. And I'm setting a frame rate of 24 frames a second, and then under QuickTime I'm clicking Advanced to turn off the interlacing, so I'll get a progressive frame here. Then I can click OK and click OK one more time, and now I'm ready to actually apply these settings. So first thing I want to do is close the existing project, and then I want to create a new project based on the settings that I just made. So I'm coming up here to Final Cut Pro and choosing Audio Video Settings. And then under Sequence Presets, I want to look for the name of the preset that I just made. When I select it, it shows up next to Sequence Preset, and I click OK. Now when I say File, New Project, this new project is based on that custom preset. If I want to confirm that the custom preset settings were actually applied to this sequence, all I have to do is right-click on the sequence and choose Item Properties, and in the box that comes up I can see the frame rate, I can also see the resolution and the codec, as well as the pixel aspect ratio, and I can confirm that they match the custom settings that I created.